Here we go. 13! Hold on! How long has it been? It's been like, what, a month or so? Shit, 13. That's actually pretty fucking good for me. Okay. Sent me a rose. Hold on now, hold on. No, she look good, bro. She's just a little young. She look young. She look young, too young. Too young. Ngan. This is a Viet person. She look too nice for me, y'all. Too young. Too young. Huh? The fuck is a LOML? Micah? She, her, they, them.
I bet your conch is better than me.
Hold on, what the fuck just happened?
I bet your conch is better than me.
What the fuck? Nah, hold on now. She put that shit on. That first pick is crazy? How is this crazy? Yeah, no, is this AI? Shit, I fuck with Iron 3? This shit can't be real, right? It's not verified? Shit can't be real, but fuck it, I'm getting catfished. Love of my life, dummy. Why are my legs opening? Hold on now! Hold on, daddy! No, do it to him! This picture look good! Hold on now, daddy! Yo! Ah, man, yeah. Now, how old was she? Shit. Hold on, man, daddy. Yeah, hold on. You are so fine. What the fuck just happened to my last view? Nah, she look good. She look good. She look good. Boba. She even put effort into replying. Oh. Oh. Too young. She a little too young. Oh. We're putting Valorant clips in the fucking Hinge profile. We're putting Valorant montages in the fucking Hinge profile. Oh, wait. No, this is not my likes, but oh my gosh. Holy shit. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fuck. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my fucking. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, what the fuck? 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 Yo! What is that? Is that an electric toothbrush? I don't think... Is that an electric toothbrush in your voice memo? Corey. 18? Too young, man. It's giving 5'6" in this. I don't know. Rosa? Wait. Nah, I know who this is. Yeah, nah, this just don't look real, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, she's my Discord mod. This is my Discord mod. She got the IG. I know. We have DMs, bro. I tried to get her on stream. But she was like, nah, she didn't want to. But I don't know. I tried to FaceTime her. I tried to. Wow. Oh. Got a Discord. You. Fuck this bitch. Your last picture is Slimy Slutty? Your second to last pick is ABG of Doom. Fuck, what do I say? We should race. Nah, I remember you with that gray hoodie. Bro, why is she talking about spelling bee? The fuck? Move. Not day. Should feature me on your stream. Prove you're actually Jason. Oi, oi, oi! The fuck is wrong with me? What's good, mamas? Is this enough proof for you? Yeah, nah, you should pull up though. Right there. Love bombing is crazy work. Let's go get some bubba together then. Yeah. Type shit. I'll pay whatever it takes. Just, I want you like right now. Come on. Come on. Yeah! 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 That's what it is right there. That's what it is right there. Let's just do a couple swipes, bro. Let's just do a couple swipes. Why not? Let me just give her a like. Why not? Actually, I'll send her a rose. Why not? Now, update your profile. Bro, I don't have any pictures with me with the new haircut. Like, do you want me to just take, like, do I just take a selfie? Card pic? I don't have a card pic. Yo, I need to take some Instagram pictures with my new hair and car. Selfie? Yo, you think I got it like that? You think I can just take a little picture real quick? What do I do with my hair? Hold on, yeah. Come on. Get your fucking glasses? Dude, I look better without my glasses.